extradition to and from Colombia. What you need to know if you are involved in an international criminal proceeding concerning Italy and Colombia, you might find yourself at the center of an extradition process. A charge in Colombia, a conviction in Italy, or even a simple international warrant can trigger a very swift and often not very transparent mechanism. Understanding when, why extradition is triggered, how it works, and how you can defend yourself is essential, especially if you are abroad and have international interests. Let's see how extradition works between Italy and Colombia. Italy and Colombia have signed international treaties that allow for bilateral extradition, both in the case of a pending trial and for the execution of a final conviction. The procedure involves a formal request from the requesting state, a review by the Ministry of Justice, and a decision by the territorially competent Court of Appeal. So, if you are in Italy and Colombia requests your extradition, the court evaluates whether the offense is also recognized under Italian law. Principle of double criminality, if there are procedural safeguards and if there are no grounds for refusal. The same applies if you are in Colombia and Italy requests your extradition. Now let's see when extradition can take place. Extradition requests to and from Colombia often concern crimes related to international drug trafficking, money laundering, criminal association, human trafficking, and economic and financial fraud. Note that Colombia does not extradite its own citizens, but may grant extradition if the person has dual citizenship or is located abroad. Italy, on the other hand, can refuse extradition if the individual risks inhuman or degrading treatment, if the request is politically motivated, or if the minimum conditions for the protection of fundamental rights are not guaranteed. How can you defend yourself with ILA? The ILA firm, International Law Associates, defends clients involved in extradition proceedings between Europe and Latin America, including cases involving Colombia. What does ILA do for you? They thoroughly analyze the extradition request and with time prepare a solid opposition before the Court of Appeal and collaborate with Colombian law firms to ensure a coordinated defense. ILA protects your rights before the European Court of Human Rights, if necessary, and monitors for any abuses, political pressure, or procedural irregularities. Extradition is a complex procedure, but it can be challenged with the right tools and proper legal defense. So if you are at risk of extradition to or from Colombia, don't wait for the warrant to be executed. Contact ILA today. They are available 24 hours a day in Europe and Latin America. So defend your freedom, protect your future,